One would think that growth markets as a region is quite far away from the conflict when you compare it to US and Europe geographies. However, when we speak to our clients, you find that they are also experiencing similar type of supply chain disruptions. For example, neon gas, palladium, Ukraine and Russia are the largest exporters of these two commodities. And these two commodities are very key to manufacturing semiconductors, which are mostly manufactured in Asia. So you can easily see the linkage between Asia and the conflict, which is kind of driving fair amount of supply chain disruptions. As businesses think through the trade-offs, today they have to be thinking about trade-off between efficiency and resiliency. For years, supply chains, the longer they are, the more optimized they become. Businesses have optimized to the maximum extent possible to be able to drive the right kind of economics. However, a lot of this has come at the cost of resiliency. Never was this so evident as what we've seen over the last 24 to 36 months, given the volatility. One of the key things to be able to enable resiliency is the use of technology. Leaders have been using what we refer to as digital twin. Think about a digital twin as a replica of your end-to-end supply chain network. You can use that to simulate how supply chains could work under different scenarios. You can use it for planning for capacity, resources, capabilities, and so on and so forth, which becomes quite important way of managing and thinking about resiliency. On a more dynamic basis, leaders are using what we refer to as control towers. Control towers would give you the visibility end to end. And then businesses build on top of them AI, ML based engines, which are leveraging cloud platforms and can be used for areas like demand planning, supply planning, sales and operations planning, which have become quite important to be able to drive that resiliency. Achieving end-to-end visibility has become very important. There's a host of cloud-based technology platforms which can help our clients leverage the control tower modules for them to be able to create this end-to-end visibility. This really becomes the first layer because that starts to tell you what's happening. It starts from producing a lot of data across the end-to-end supply chain, a data which becomes quite important on which businesses can act upon. Constrained supply is becoming quite an everyday phenomena today. Given what's happening on energy, what's happening on constraint planning, I'm really hoping that sustainability measures that a lot of leaders started championing have only got accelerated given the larger agenda at hand.